Hello TARS AI community. Today I'm making this video to show you what the new graphical user interface looks like. We had one in V2. It worked well, but it was bulky. That was mainly because too many processes were running at the same time. Some weren't even visible, so I redesigned everything with a better logic and a cleaner structure, also making it easier to add new modules and expand on it later. It's lighter, more efficient, and it's actually closer to the UI style from the movie. So what I'm showing you here is an actual output from the screen on the left side, and then the actual robot with the screen installed on the right side. So what happens when you start a program is right away you're gonna get this smaller UI here, which gives you two options, either to go to the terminal mode, or the other one is to load the full screen mode. Depending on the configuration that you have in your config.ini, this will actually decide to boot full screen if it's set to enabled, or just go to terminal mode if it's not enabled. So I have mine enabled. So once the program is loaded, we have a few options. The first one on top here is called clear. This will clear the terminal because the way this works is that there's a log file, and between each session everything gets added to the log. So once there's too much text, you can just clear that and it will reset. After that, we have a background selection. So right now it's set to the particle animation. And if we click here, we have another one that is more like a star field, another one that's more like a tesseract cube with 3D cubes rotating. If we click again, then we have a video. There's a video folder in there. You can actually drop your own videos and the UI will play them randomly. And then we're back to the particle one. I plan to keep adding some more because that's something fun to do. Now next we have the wave function. So this reflects all of the animation that were built based on the microphone input. So we have the first one here that looks more like a bar graph. We have some wave here. And then we have some kind of oscilloscope. This one reacts really well to the sound. You don't see it right now, but if I would ask TARS a question, you would see. We have this one that looks more like something from an iPhone. And then we have a spectrum output also. Let me switch back to this one and ask a question to TARS. So what you'll see is that the actual background does animation when you talk to TARS, and also you'll see how reactive the wave animation is. So, hey TARS.
I hear you.
Can you tell me what time it is?
It's currently 17:50:06. What's your next move?
So that might not have been the best example ever because we didn't see much animation, but the more it thinks, the more everything lights up in there. If we switch to another animation for the waveform and ask a question again, you'll see a bit more what I mean. Hey TARS. Hey TARS.
Waiting.
What time is it?
Computing. It's currently 17:50:48. What's on your agenda?
So as you can see, when TARS is expecting you to talk, the waveform is going to change to another color, just so it's indicating you that it's your time to talk. What else? We have this battery indicator here. This is for the if you install the battery monitor, this will show up, and it's actually just going to tell you how much battery is estimated to be remaining. If it goes down to 0, it will actually shut down the Raspberry Pi just to prevent any issues with it. That also preserves the battery, so it's a good thing to have, but it's not mandatory. Then we have a power button. So if I click here, it's going to give me two options, either to exit the program or to shut down the Raspberry Pi. So if you need it to be turned off, that's the best way to go and do that, because you won't require any keyboard since the screen is a touch screen. And then we have another option here, which is a camera. This just shows you what the actual output of the camera is, but I'll show you in another video what it can do. There is a lot more that's gonna come in and be developed for this function here. And yes, that's the new V3 UI. Thanks everyone.